Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a more kind of everyday, softer autumn/fall makeup tutorial. So the first one, I think I just did like a full glam, like full on glam makeup look. So I wanted to do a bit more of a toned down one. It's a bit more matte and I feel like it's a bit more autumny than that one. That was a lot of fiery colours. This is a bit more of a brown toned one. But I've also given you two lip options. This is the more bold lip option. Obviously that will be at the end of the video when I'm doing my lips, but if you would like to see how I created this look that I'm wearing right now and what products I use to create it, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching it. So I'm going to start off with the skin first. So I'm going to use the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul just to prime the skin. Foundation, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Matte Foundation, and this one is in the shade Natural Beige. Concealer, I'm going to take the Milani Retouch and Erase Concealer in medium. It's a really good concealer. I just feel like it's got really good coverage. But I just feel like because of the applicator of it, and it's so just gross using a little sponge on the end, I just don't use it enough because of that, but the concealer itself is really good. To set all that in place, I'm going to take the Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder, and this is the transparent one. Quickly just going to add some powder just to around my face. I'm going to just use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light. I just got this recently. Really nice glow to it as well, so I'll add it on after I've done like my bronzer and stuff, but I just add this here just to help it kind of blend. I don't use it necessarily to set my face because it's not a setting powder, but I just kind of add it everywhere just to give, or just to kind of get that glow back into the skin. I think I'm just going to go on to the eyes now, and I'll finish off the rest of the face after. Eyeshadow, I thought I would just be a bit different today and use some of my Colourpop Super Shock shadows, because I feel like I never use them because they're just kind of sat in a drawer and they're not in a palette form. I'm going to use 3 of the Super Shock shadows. They are all matte ones, I'm pretty sure. And I just need something to just kind of put all over my lid, so I think I'm just going to use my bronzer that I'm going to use today. So I'm going to use the Morphe Brontour in Celebutaunte, and I'm going to take the softer shade from there, and I'm just going to get a brush and I'm just going to put this everywhere, all over my lid, literally everywhere, just to cover it up, because I just want like a, I guess, all around matte look, even though I feel like this has got a bit of a sheen to it, but I'm going to go over it anyway. I just wanted something that was just like a light base. Yeah, this has definitely got a sheen in it, but oh well. Take the shade Elixir. It's like this really nice warm brown, and I'm going to use this to buff in the crease. I'm going to go in with the shade that's called Melrose. It's like a deeper brown. It's quite similar to that one. You probably sat there like, that's exactly the same, but it's not. It's a tiny, tiny bit deeper. I'm just going to use this in the outer corner, I think, just to kind of wing, maybe, no, not wing it out, but just kind of add some dimension just in the outer corner. Now I'm just going to go in with the darkest shade, which is Mittens. It's kind of a dark chocolate brown, but it's got a tiny bit of like a purpley undertone to it. I'm going to run this across as kind of like an eyeliner just on the top lash line, just to see. I just kind of need something to put in the middle, so I might use my blush that I'm going to use. so I keep using everything else I'm going to be using. I'm just going to take the Ofra blush in Raisin. Obviously this is what I'm going to use on my face, but I'm just going to add this, just kind of fill in the gap. To add onto the waterline, yeah, I know I never do this, but I'm going to use the Morphe eyeliner in the shade Richie. It's just a really, really dark brown. The Maybelline Colossal mascara again.
Okay, so that is the eyes all done. It just ended up being a lot warmer than I was going for, but oh well.
I think I might actually just add a bit of this Hourglass powder on, maybe, because I want it to be kind of matte-ish. Not too matte, but yeah, I think I'm just going to add this just all around my cheek area and just kind of give it that kind of natural glow instead. This is what I've been doing kind of like every day now. I just kind of add that on. Add some bronzer. I'm obviously going to take the Morphe one that I used on my eyes. For blush, of course, I'm going to take Raisin by Ofra, which is what I used just on my lid. This big brush. I'm a bit scared because it's very dark. So I'm going to make sure I tap it off and just tap it on my arm a little bit. But let's just give like a little nice warmth area just over here. That sentence didn't make any sense, but hey ho. They're pretty much done. I actually really like the eyes. I'm happy with the eyes. I know they're quite simple and kind of boring. Lips, I'm just going to line them with the NYX Suede lip liner in London. This is definitely option one. This is probably the one that I would go for. It's just nude and it's not too... And I would just... Typically this is what I would wear probably if I did this eye look. But I wanted to give another option that's more of a deeper one and a bit more autumny. So it's the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Spice. This is just one of the mini ones. It's not like too brown. It's quite nude, but it's still brown, if that makes sense. That is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. If you want to see any different types of autumn makeup look, just any videos in general, then just leave me a comment and letting me know and I will have a look. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!